Khalid Khayari and Acting ASG Indrika Ratwate for their briefings. At the outset, Pakistan strongly condemns the Houthi ballistic missile attacks against the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We express our full solidarity with the brotherly kingdom and reaffirm our steadfast support for its security, sovereignty, and territorial integrity. We also reaffirm our unwavering commitment to the sovereignty, independence, unity, and territorial integrity of Yemen, consistent with the purposes and principles of the UN Charter and international law. At a time when the region continues to face heightened tensions and multiple interconnected crises, we call on the concerned parties to resolve differences through dialogue, diplomacy, and a steadfast commitment to de-escalation. A comprehensive, inclusive, and sustainable peace can only be achieved through a Yemeni-led and Yemeni-owned political process facilitated by the UN, which addresses the legitimate aspirations and concerns of all Yemenis. The agreement on the exchange of prisoners earlier this year demonstrates that dialogue can yield tangible outcomes even in a difficult environment. All parties should build on this momentum and continue engaging constructively towards a durable nationwide ceasefire and an inclusive political settlement. Mr. President, the Yemeni people have endured years of conflict, displacement, economic hardship, food insecurity, and the collapse of essential services. Any further escalation risks undermining prospects for peace and deepening the suffering of civilians. Pakistan reiterates its strong condemnation of the continued arbitrary detention of UN, humanitarian personnel, and diplomatic staff, as well as the unlawful seizure of UN premises and assets by the Houthis. These actions contravene international law and undermine humanitarian work. We call for the immediate and unconditional release of all detained personnel and for full respect for the privileges and immunities of UN personnel, facilities, and assets. President, Pakistan remains firmly committed to promoting dialogue, diplomacy, and regional de-escalation. We encourage all concerned parties to maintain channels of communication, avoid actions that could heighten tensions, and pursue peaceful resolution of disputes in accordance with the UN Charter and international law. Pakistan will continue to support all sincere efforts aimed at fostering peace, stability, and mutual understanding in the region. I thank you.
Je remercie le...
I thank the representative of Pakistan for his statement.